IoTFriday. Today we're going to take a look in our high-tech innovation lab on what we do on all these kind of IoT innovations. I'm Tom.
I'm Steven, and indeed, often we talk about what you do and what we see in the market with IoT, but we almost never talk about what we do with innovation and connected products. We're standing here in front of our robot. This is a robot that we're developing in the high-tech innovation lab.
Yeah.
As you can see, it has 2 arms and a head. This arm is still in development, but this arm actually moves.
Exactly. And the funny thing is this an IoT solution?
Maybe not.
Maybe not directly, but when we connect Amazon Echo to it and make it voice controlled, and maybe it can be positioned at the reception desk below downstairs.
It can welcome guests.
It can welcome guests. Great.
By the way, it is fully 3D printed, so we printed the whole thing ourselves. It is not something bought. Maybe the motors are, but for the rest we completely printed this ourselves.
Okay.
That's something that Tom is very proud of.
This book. Of course, you saw the book release a couple of weeks ago of Testing in the Digital Age, where AI makes the difference. The book is out there for a couple of weeks now. There's a lot of interest. We are almost halfway through all the books, and Testing in the Digital Age is really taking shape also at our customers as well. So, good stuff there. Let's talk to one of the things that is 3D printed as well. The robot was 3D printed, you told us.
Yes, but this is a 3D printed 3D printer. So we used an actual printer to print another 3D printer, which is kind of a baby. And the interesting thing is we took it a step further, because when this prints something, we can take it to this 3D scanner, scan the object, see how it behaves, and if it is exactly what we intended it to be on the computer in the design, and then
you create a feedback loop in order to see whether the printer needs to adjust something or not.
I was looking for the word improve. Improve the design automatically and print it again.
Yeah, exactly. So you're testing your 3D printed 3D printer here.
Yes.
Cool. But we do other stuff as well. We do development of hardware in-house.
Yeah.
So we are creating this.
Yeah. So for a lot of customers, we use and need IoT devices and platforms, and therefore you can see the Society logo here. We developed our own IoT device. It's a modular device, and there's a lot of connectors on the side, so we can place it on the baseboard to create other sensor connections.
And this is a really high quality industrial Internet of Things solution, right?
Yeah, it is meant for industrial applications, and you can connect it to a lot of different sensors.
Cool. So here we have a couple of our books again, but next to it you also see, because we're talking about Internet of Things, testing in an IT environment. It's something we've written already years ago or so, but still very valid, and it contains all the elements of setting up your IT strategy as well. Going towards the next solution or idea that we had.
It states IoT living room, and as you can see, it's not a smart home solution. It was not intended to be a smart home solution, but it was made to test different cloud platforms and see how they behave in an IoT scenario. So we made this platform, this IoT living room, to mimic how curtains work, how the lights turn on and off, a camera, and connect it to 4 different cloud platforms to just compare the performance and pricing, of course, of all these different platforms.
Now, of course, we do other cool stuff as well with bigger objects. Over here we have a big entrance boom, and with this entrance boom we've made an IoT connection. This very tiny device. You can actually see whether or not the boom or the entrance is open or closed, right?
Yeah. So our modular device is placed on this boom gate, and here you can see it, the naked device without a casing. Normally it would be in there or on there in the casing. We place it on here, and whenever the boom gate moves, thank you,
like
whenever the boom gate moves, this is transmitted through LoRa, IoT network, and sent to the cloud. And here you can actually see, I think we saw just one changing, they're either green when the bridge is open, so that means that the boom gate is up, or red, and that's the other way around.
In this case, we can create connected bridges, right? So you know when a bridge is open or closed, for either for the boats or for the traffic driving over the bridge.
So these are just a few of the innovations that we work on. Actually, we do a lot more, of course. We had a nice day where we wanted to show innovations to colleagues within the company.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.
Exactly. This was today's IT Friday with a nice demonstration of what we do ourselves. Keep questions coming in and see you again on the next IT Friday. Bye.
Goodbye.